will be recognizing and identifying today. Let's see what. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have tanımaq. Tanımaq. Tanımaq, like I said, to recognize, to know, or to identify. Let's use these in some phrases first, and then sentences. Phrases always first. To recognize a face, to know a person, to identify a voice. Let's see how they sound in Azerbaijani. Üzü TANIMAQ. Üz, face, üzü, to recognize it, basically, a face. Birini TANIMAQ, bir one, birini, someone, a person, to know a person. Səsi TANIMAQ, ses, a voice, səsi, the voice, basically to recognize, to identify it. All right? Now let's use it in sentences. First one. Uzun illərdən sonra küçədə qarşıma çıxan adamın üzünü dərhal tanımaq mənim üçün asan olmadı. Çünki o xeyli dəyişmişdi. Let's see. After many years, it wasn't easy for me to recognize the man's face immediately when he appeared in front of me on the street, because he had changed a lot. Uzun illərdən sonra, after many years, sonra, after, uzun technically long, but it means many years passed. İllər, years, year, illər, years. It wasn't easy, asan olmadı. For me, mənim üçün, to recognize, tanımaq, the man's face, adamın üzünü, immediately, dərhal. When he appeared, küçədə, qarşıma çıxan, when he appeared in front of me, qarşıma in front of me, on the street, küçədə. When means when he appeared, çıxan adam. Because, çünki, technically when he appeared, basically when all this happens, it's hard to translate for you word for word because not always you will do word for word translation in the sentences. You have to build the right sentence in given language. Hence, in English, this is the right language. And its Azerbaijani counterpart is above in orange. That's why I'm sometimes struggling to do word for word. Anyways, because, çünki, he had changed a lot. O xeyli dəyişmişdi, xeyli a lot. Dəyişmişdi had changed. Dəyişmək, to change. Dəyişmişdi had changed. Okay, next one. Səs yazısına əsasən danışanın kim olduğunu tanımaq üçün əvvəlki qeydləri diqqətlə dinlədik və müqayisə etdik. To identify who was speaking from the voice recording, we carefully listened to and compared the previous records. To identify, again, tanımaq üçün, who was speaking, danışanın kim olduğunu, from the voice recording, səs yazısına əsasən. Əsasən, you can also translate it according to voice recording. We carefully listened. We is biz, but we don't see biz here because there is diqqətlə dinlədik. Ik, k. That's the suffix that shows us who did it. Diqqət, attention, diqqətlə, carefully, with attention, basically. Dinlədik, listened. To, and we're going to say, compared the previous record. Əvvəlki qeydləri, to listen, basically we listen to those. That's why you see two there. Compared, müqayisə etdik. Previous records, what? Əvvəlki qeydləri. Now, that was today's words, tanımaq. Let's see how else we can use it in a fun way, where we just put that tanımaq there in Azerbaijani and the rest of the sentence is in English. Let's see. She can tanımaq celebrities faster than her own passwords. Right. Now, to support you further in your learning Azerbaijani journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app available in App Store and Google Store, where Module 1 is completely free, and that's the foundational module that will help you set up for success in your language journey. I also have masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in more grammatical, language, cultural, historical aspects of the language. It's been there since November 2025. Feel free to check it out and come back tomorrow for a new word. Action words this week, baby. Cheers.